They got the best chicken in NOLA. Yeah, man. I've been knew about this though. Before they start saying that.
Available now.
Yeah, man. Listen, before they even was saying that, I was already eating this. So this shit ain't nothing new to me. I'm about to just give y'all like a live feed for this shit. That's what I do, you know? I'm walking up. Some food come turn it back on.
20% off in the Wendy's app when you
Alright, so they got an outside seating available. I didn't know they had it like that. Yeah, I'm about to eat outside, but y'all see me at Redbird here, man. So yeah. Hey, let me bring out look. Like an order. See, order on the machines.
Welcome back to Bank of America Stadium here in Charlotte. And aerial coverage provided by Lucas Oil this afternoon. Great shots. It's been a gorgeous weekend in town. A lot going on sports-wise here. Warriors are home for a couple nights. Panthers home here.
Sure, they got seafood.
They just made an announcement. Did they change the call? We couldn't tell. They didn't turn the mic on for us.
And I think they either waved off the penalty or maybe they called it on the wrong.
They changed it. Well, they get the
I'm not sure this hot as fuck.
penalty. You know what we're trying to explain penalties over penalties.
Shit, bro.
But you say they got to go because the offense out there.
Yeah, they got to have their best guy have the ball here. Fourth and short. They got no choice but to try to extend this drive and maximize this possession.
Alright, this had a chicken wrap. This shit look good as fuck, I ain't gonna
The
lie.
rookie out there throwing an excellent block.
Mac and cheese, I never had the mac and cheese.
Yeah, nice job here by Dak.
I know their chicken be good though.
Right now, this is a drive where this Dallas offense
So
has
I
to
gotta
find a
see
little
what the mac
rhythm.
and cheese about.
You see Brooks there on the outside. You see the Panthers sideline. They're screaming for a hold. They didn't think it necessarily tugged them.
They got chicken crumbs on the top of the mac and cheese.
But they got to get something going here. This Dallas offense haven't had the ball much here in the second half. They got to get rolling.
That's good.
Prescott, big drop. Blitz coming, it's picked up. Directed drop, and tips it incomplete. Ooh, that was dangerous. He was trying to get Pollard to kind of move with him, but
Mac and cheese like, I see like
Actually, a really nice job
7
there.
out of 10,
Pollard picks up
7.5
the
out of
pressure
10.
off the edge by Xavier Woods, and then he's just kind of leaking, and Dak thought he'd stay on the move. Nice job there by Pollard initially, and Dak had just nowhere down the field to get the ball out.
teams over 500. They got beat up by San Francisco. They took Philly to the wire. That game could have gone either way, but the offense hasn't been as good. They destroyed the teams under 500.
the chicken fire. They got like a good spice to it. It's hot.
Now
It's,
big third down and 5.
I said the chicken 10 out of 10 for sure. I'm about to eat though. Oh, the fries. Fries 10 out of 10.
Prescott, man wide open.
I'm watching the game too. Yeah, man. I'm about to feast though, so I'm gonna head y'all back. I only got me some dipping sauce, some ranch, some buffalo, some barbecue sauce. Yeah, red dough was good. Shit was fire, really. Like, shit had a good spice to it, good flavor to it. Why you looking at me like that? Hold on. Let me show y'all something. That thing fine. Oh.
I feel like my ass looks flat.
It don't look flat.
I feel like that.
That's all in your head, shorty. She knows she bad. And I got her, nigga. Grocery bag. Man, why the fuck gotta said that? Yeah, she knows she bad, and I got a nigga grocery bag.
He put it in he put it in the bag and he got her.
Man, I'm fucking weak. Man, I got a nigga. Grocery bag. We gotta go to Police. Get a little drink. Yeah. A little drink.
I'm gonna take open the door for you, sir.
Got you, baby.
You gotta open the door everywhere I go. I'm demanding. Period.
I do that on the regular. Don't open the door for my shower.
If you did, I promise you, I wouldn't
It don't make no sense to look good. Bro. This camera starting to blow me. It's always about to go dead. Like, I don't like this shit. Play on my top right now.
First of all, him. Let's talk about him. Come on, you're making me press though. Still recording? Oh, alright. So anyways, he just been telling me, like, we went to church, we having a good day. I don't know what's his problem.
What you want to get?
Something with brown. Anything with brown. Straight brown.
You want to do the Casamigos, the rubber settle?
Can we?
Y'all got the brown one? Or we gonna do that?
Shots?
Yeah, let's do shots. Yeah.
We're gonna start off.
Wait, can we do chill shots?
Chill?
Yeah. So you should be able to drink that.
Dope about to be burning.
Yeah, I'm so sick of him. He been getting on my nerves all day. Only time he wasn't getting on my nerves, why? Only time he wasn't getting on my nerves was at church. How you keep asking for a kiss in church? That's sad. That's not right though. Okay, when we got home, he wasn't getting on my nerves. As soon as we left home, he was getting on my nerves. I'm not gonna lie. As soon as we left home. Crazy and crazier. Yeah, crazy and crazier.
They say when you call, you gotta look into the lens, not the camera.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
They're like
I can make eye
filled to the
contact
top,
with the
so be
lens.
careful.
I have a question. Do you think this will mix well with Juice? Because it's reposado?
Oh, it'll be fine. Because those are both like higher ends. You should be fine.
Okay.
But like, are you gonna take the Douce as straight shot too?
I mean, I already drunk it. I've been drinking it.
Oh, you already been drinking. Oh, you're fine.
Yeah, okay. Hold up. Actually, hold up. Yeah, I need, babe, give me like the salt. Give me the salt thingy. It's too low.
You know what you need to try. This?
Yeah, bro, do this.
That's what I need.